Hi, in this tutorial we will see how to enter TV out, that is how to create TV out entries, option data entry, option TV out. Now what is TV out? TV out is termination/transfer voucher. When a person terminates his subscription, at that point of time the termination voucher is generated and the cylinder and regulator deposits of the subscriber is refunded to him. And in case if there is any subsidy amount which is already credited to his bank account, that amount is recovered from him from these deposits. And in the second situation, if a person is transferred from one place to another, if a subscriber is transferred from one place to another, say for example from Delhi to Mumbai, then he goes to his distributor in Delhi where he has his connection and applies for termination of the connection. The Delhi distributor prepares a transfer voucher which is called as TV out, refunds him the deposits of cylinder regulator after recovering subsidy amount and hands him over the transfer voucher. The subscriber, after moving to Mumbai, takes this transfer voucher and goes to a new distributor in Mumbai from where he wants to seek the connection, submits this transfer voucher and gives the same amount of deposit which was given to him by the Delhi distributor and restores his connection in Mumbai. The DBTL amount which was recovered at Delhi distributor's place is returned back to him by way of a credit in his bank account. So this is the procedure of termination stroke transfer voucher. Now let's see how this entry is made. Click new button. All these details come automatically. You can put the connection consumer number and the SV number, although not compulsory. Put the name of the customer, mobile number, TV number. This you will get from the termination voucher generated from the company's portal, which you have to enter it here. Then you have to the type of cylinder which he is refunding, the quantity of cylinder which he is refunding, and the total deposit, which can be anything, and it is the deposit which the subscriber had paid at the time of subscribing, any time before, any time in the past. This amount is known from the transfer voucher generated on the company's portal. Let's say 2000. Similarly, the regulator deposit is also refunded. Let's say 100, and the subsidy amount for 2 cylinders, since there are 2 cylinders over here, let's say 300 plus per cylinder, a total amount of 600 is been recovered from him. And net amount, that is 2000 plus 100 minus 600 is paid to him. Here in the narration you can mention transferred to Mumbai or wherever the customer is getting transferred to, but it is not compulsory. Now you will see that there is no print button appearing over here, deliberately so, because there is, if a print is allowed, this TV out may get printed and there is a possibility of a mistake that the staff of the distributor may hand over this particular voucher to the customer, which will be highly incorrect and will put the customer in severe hardship, as the new distributor at the new place, that is Mumbai in this current example, will not accept any other document but will accept only the transfer voucher, this transfer voucher document generated from the company's portal. Hence, to avoid any confusion, there is no provision for printing of this particular document, of this particular entry, and you are supposed to hand over only the termination voucher printed from the company's portal to the customer. This entry is made only for the purpose of record keeping and accounts and stock. So now I click save and save this entry. With this, we are at the end of the tutorial of TV Out. Thanks for your time.